Oh gosh, I can't sleep. Guys, welcome back to my channel, and it's literally 5 in the morning, so I look like a drunk zombie right now. Look at that eye bugs saying hi to you. So we're not gonna make any covers today. Basically, I can't sing. Yes. So we'll just talk about video making. So yeah, I'm gonna pretend that I am alive. Video making or vlogging is really hard. It takes a lot of time and effort to create one. But I can give you some tips on how you can make good videos. Just listen to the drunk zombie. Anyway. So for the first tip, avoid long intros. Long intros are very boring. I hate long intros. Intros are very important in your video. It attracts audience easily. But if you create long intros such as long shoutouts, things that are not necessary such as talking too much. Take a look at this one. Oh, let's play this bitch first. Hey Keke, and welcome back to my channel. So for today, I'm going to give a shout out to Okay, shout out. I forgot to give a shout out to fucking shout out. Get out of here, bitch. Your audience will definitely skip your video. So avoid long intros, make it simple, direct, and straight to the point. Tip number 2, just be yourself. Don't try to imitate others. It sucks, big time. Because if you do, your audience will know if you're faking it or you're killing it. I know you want to be your idol, I know you want to imitate others, but what makes you different to them? You might just be like a shadow to them, right? And your audience will definitely know if you are faking it.
You do not the liar is my fake. It's the Cassie and fake.
Be yourself. I personally want to sound like Beyonce or Christina Aguilera.
Say what?
But I sounded like a dying goat when I do that. I am beautiful, no matter what they say. Words can't bring me down.
Hey, what happened?
Listen to the song here in my heart. Melody I start, but can't complete. I sounded more like Jaya. Third tip, never have a dull moment. I'm talking about that silence or that muted part in your fucking video. Remove it, you don't need that. That's trash. Because if you ever have that dull moment in your videos, your audience will surely skip that part. So think of another way on how you can cover that. Might as well put some background music because background music can cover noise and silence to your videos. So be creative. That's tip number 4. Be creative. Editing is number 1 in video making. It takes a lot of time and effort to create a very good video. And you need an amazing tool for that. I am using Premiere Pro CC and it's very cool. I am also using Viva Video because there are some effects that I can only find in Viva Video. And I am paying for that. I am not using free editing. Free video editing sucks. You can find a watermark on your video. That's not really cool, right? So if you want to have that good quality video, you might as well invest for a video editing tool. Well, Viva Video is not that expensive. I'm only paying 130 pesos for a month. So yes, that's my tip number 4 for you. Be creative. Find a perfect video editing tool that you can use. And yeah. And tip number 5, don't sacrifice quality over quantity. Yes, you have a lot of videos, but are they worth watching? One thing I've learned is to not really upload many videos that have no contents, because people will hate it, people don't watch it, people will never like it, and they will get bored. Okay, you will lose your audience if you do that. I've watched a lot of videos and some of them are cool, some of them are okay, but some of them really sucks. Because I know that they are just thinking of the monetization here in YouTube. If you want to have your audience watch your videos, just don't think of the money. Don't make videos for money. If you put your passion on editing, if you put your passion on making videos or creating good videos, definitely your audience will be there for you until the end of time. I will be your babe. I won't let you down. I forgot the lyrics. So, don't make long intros. Don't imitate others. That sucks. Never have a dull moment. Be creative. And lastly, do not ever sacrifice quality over quantity. Guys, make your videos worth watching. Like this face.
Eventually,
It's not worth watching. So that's 5 tips for you to follow. It's just plain and simple. You just have to be yourself, really. So thank you guys for watching this video. If you're not yet subscribed to my channel, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell button for more video updates. And I can't think anymore because my brain is losing it. So thank you, and if you find this really helpful, you might want to share this with your friends, your family. No? Yes. So thank you guys, and I hope to see you on my next vlog. Peace, yo. Now I can sleep. Fucking black.